What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're taking a look at Verasity here, and as we can see, it does look as though we are still coiling up for a move here. Consolidating very, very nicely indeed. Obviously, if we draw our fib retracement here, from the previous high to the previous low, you can see here from the all-time high, the previous all-time high down to this local low here. You can see here that we're currently coiling up and consolidating in around that previous all-time high level. After making this new high at around 6.7 cents here, you can see that we're potentially, coiling up for potentially something looking like this, where we are forming a little bit of a potential pennant here, where we're just coiling up like this in and around the previous all-time high, going into that apex in the next week or so. And obviously, if that's the case, then we could be looking at a very nice little movement for Verasity in the near future, if we do start to see it breaking out. And obviously, we've seen a lot of altcoins breaking out today. Obviously, VeChain's looking pretty good. We've obviously seen Elrond breaking out of a similar formation like this as well, breaking to the upside. And a lot of altcoins looking quite bullish today, with Bitcoin obviously having a bit of a cooling off period. It hit that new all-time high of 67k, and it's had a bit of a retracement to around 63k over the last day or so, which is good. And a lot of money is probably going to be flowing into altcoins quite soon. We do think Verasity is nicely positioned, in our opinion, to be doing some really, really great multiples this year and for the remainder of the bull run. And judging by this chart, it's looking super, super bullish, isn't it? A very, very clear cup and handle, looking something like this, looking something like this, looking something like this, looking something like this. This is a very, 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 very clear cup and handle, looking something like this. Obviously, if we do start to run away with things here and cleanly break away from this this high that we've made, as we've said before, we do think our next target is that 127 extension here at 10 cents, psychological target, big target in general. Obviously, that's a very, very big psychological target. And in general, we think Verasity, obviously a really good project. The fundamentals are amazing. It's actually getting use, and as it gets more adoption, and obviously if it gets another patent approved, which it does have in the works, I believe, obviously we're going to be seeing some fireworks for this crypto very soon. The market cap being so low as well. I believe it's still, 100, 150, 200 million maybe. So a lot of room to grow, in our opinion. As we've always said, we do think 50 cents to $1 for Verasity is definitely possible. And if that's the case, we're going to be, looking at some very, very nice gains from here. Probably what is that, a 10 or a 20x? Maybe like an 8 or 9 to 16, 17x from the current price if you want to be pedantic. But overall, things looking really good for Verasity. We've been saying this for basically weeks now. This chart is super, super bullish in our opinion. You can see quite clearly that we've just, we've pumped up massively. We've had a really nice retracement. We've come back up. We've had a little bit of a rollover in September, which is fair enough. Basically coming up pretty much to the all-time high. We've got that cup that you're seeing here. We've come up to a new all-time high that we've just broke through. We're currently just consolidating on the previous all-time high, ready for that rip. And sooner or later we are going to see Verasity probably breaking out of this to the upside as things get more and more bullish, because honestly this is looking really, really strong. As we said before, if this is your pennant, calling up like this, and this is your flagpole, you can see here, if we just draw that from there to there, we do have that perfect bang on the money target, 10 cents. Going up to that 127 extension, if this is, this is your technical target. If you do this, consolidate, and then you get your extension, then this is the target. So overall, as we said before, Verasity looking super, super bullish. This chart looks amazing in our opinion. Breaking out of all kinds of horizontals, currently consolidating on the previous all-time high as support. And the more that we make structure here, the more this is going to be a really solid platform to launch from. So short-term price predictions then. If we roll over, we've obviously got the bottom of our pennant here coming in at around that 5.5 cent area, and obviously the bottom of this overall swing low, if we break down here, at around 5.1 cents. We've got the 20 moving average coming up all the time like this, and the 55. as support if we do have a big rollover in the market. But, you know, we're obviously looking to target some of these higher prices pretty soon as well. And considering how bullish things are looking, it's probably quite likely. We've got around this 6.2 cent area up here. If we come up to this and start to break out, we're obviously looking to break this, head to the all-time high at 6.7 cents. And then, as we said, heading up towards that overall recent move Fibonacci extension of around 10 cents. We do think this is pretty much a magnet with the 127 there as well, acting as, you know, a place where the price action is being sucked towards for Verasity, especially considering, you know, just how bullish this is forming up. It looks as though it's coiling up for a big move, and we could be looking at 10 cents in our opinion pretty soon to the upside if we start to break out of these horizontal levels on this pennant. And then, as we said, 50 cents to $1 in our opinion, a good target. We've obviously got 50 cents coming in at around here, $1 up here. We've got the 227 extension, sorry, at around 75 cents. And considering how good this project is, the fundamentals looking really strong, the market cap's low, and considering how bullish the price action is looking technically as well, we do think this project has got a really good chance of getting up there. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.